Hello everyone. Today start with a new problem. Top k frequent element in array. Okay. So in this question we given a array of integers in which we have to find the k frequent elements. It means that we have to return the k element which have the higher frequency. Okay. Let's take a second example. In this we have in the array we have one one I actually it's not sorted. It is the given example. It may be random. Okay, two, two, three, 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 and four. Okay. So if we count the frequency of one, so what will be the frequency? It will be two, and the frequency of two, it will be two. The frequency of three, it will be three, and the frequency of four, it will be one. Okay. So uh, so the return we have to return the k element. It k, what is the value of k? It's 2. We have to return the two elements which have the higher frequency. And what are those? 3 2. If we sort the frequency in decreasing order, then it will be 3 2 2 and 1. Okay, only we have to return the two elements, so it will be 2. What see here, that we have the two elements which has the frequency of 2. It's 2 and the 2 and 1. And as the question given, let me okay, in this user task we have given that we have, if the frequency of the two elements are same, then we have to return the elements which have higher. Okay, so in this case, what is the higher value? It will be 2. So what will be the answer? 3 and 2. Okay. So now what will be our approach? So first, if we sort it, okay, let's suppose if we sort it, actually let's suppose it is not sorted. If we sort it, then it will be easy to count the elements of same type. Okay, so first we will sort it, and after when it's sort, we will count the frequency of every type of element. Okay, after if we have the frequency, then we can easily find the top k frequent element. We can use the priority queue, or we can use the priority queue, which actually priority queue gives us the higher value. Okay, let's suppose if in a priority queue there are a value 1 3 5 9 4, then for it at the top of priority queue, it will always return the value of 9. After that, the shorter one, and after that the shorter one. Okay, so let's code it. First we will sort it. Okay, sort num store begin, num store end. Okay, to, to count it, we can use map, or as well as without map also we can count. With map you can, whenever you find one, or whenever you find an element, you can go to the map and plus that value. Okay, but we will not use the map. It will, as we have given the auxiliary space big of n, so we can use only priority queue with the size of n. Okay, so we do it without a map. Okay, so int I is equal to 0, and j and n, the size of the array, nums dot size, while I is less than n. And how we will count? Let's suppose 1 1 2 2. Okay, let's take it this much array. I will be our I will be here. Okay, we will count count the elements with j. Whenever we find that the nums of j is equal to nums of I, we will increase our j. Okay, so one nums of I is equal to 1 is equal to nums of j. We will increase the j and count plus plus. Okay, then count will be 2 1 हो जाएगा. And after that if we again check that nums of I is equal to nums of j, we will again we will again increment j and also increment c. It will be 2. Okay, after that if here we will find that nums of I is not equal to nums of j, then then we will break the loop and I will be our here. Okay, so uh, this this method we will count the same element. So j will be I, j is equal to I, and we will count is c is equal to 0, and while j is less than n, and nums of I is equal to nums of j. Okay, we will count the j plus plus and as well as c plus plus. After exiting the loop, we will assign the I is equal to j, and okay, for let's make a priority queue, PRIO T priority queue. We have to make a pair. In the first value we will put the frequency, and in the second element we will put the original element. Okay, pair. Okay, I think I have to put it upon here. Now it's correct. Or you can take a new variable entity in which you will store the nums of I. Okay, after this now we have the priority queue. Now every top element will be the higher value. Okay, so we will pop the only key elements from the priority queue, and that will be our answer. So we will create a new vector answer, and top dot second. Let's compile it. Submit it. And here we are. Thank you guys.